When you're stressed, you're more likely to make bad decisions. We've all been there. You're running late, you're in a rush, and then you make a decision that you later regret. But you're not alone. And it happens to all of us because stress influences our decisions in ways that we don't always realize. When you're feeling stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode. This is a survival response that's designed to help you cope with danger. Maybe it's a big project at work or important presentation. You feel the pressure to perform and the stress starts to mount. You may find yourself making decisions that you later regret, like taking on too much work or not speaking up when you should have. But by understanding how stress affects your decisions, you can take steps to make better choices. By taking some deep breaths and calming down, you can get out of fight or flight mode and make more rational decisions. Remember, it's okay to not be okay, and everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them and move forward. So next time you feel the stress of a big decision, take a deep breath and remember to be kind to yourself. You've got this. When you're in this state, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which can cause your heart rate and blood pressure to rise. This is so that your body is prepared to either fight off the threat or run away from it. But this response can also affect your decision-making ability. When you're in fight or flight mode, your brain goes into overdrive. This means that you're more likely to make snap decisions without thinking things through. You may also be more likely to make decisions based on fear or anxiety, rather than logic or reason. So let us take a closer look at how stress affects your decisions and what you can do about it. One thing that can help is to take some deep breaths and try to calm down. This can help you to get out of fight or flight mode and think more clearly. Another thing that can help is to remember that everyone makes mistakes and it's okay to not be okay. By taking these steps, you can give yourself the best chance of making good decisions even when you're stressed. You feel stressed, anxious, overwhelmed, and then a notification pops up on your phone. It's an email from your boss, asking for an update on that project you were working on. You open the email and your heart starts racing. Your breathing becomes more rapid and your thoughts start to feel scattered. You feel like you're being pulled in a million different directions all at once. You know you need to respond to that email, but the thought of doing so feels paralyzing. You take a few deep breaths and try to calm down. You know that getting upset won't help the situation. But as you sit there trying to sort through your thoughts, you realize that you're not alone. Everyone experiences stress and anxiety, and it can often feel like we're at the mercy of our own thoughts. But did you know that your stress can actually influence your decisions? So what can you do to make better decisions when you're stressed? Now, how does this relate to you? Well, imagine you're in a situation where you feel like you have a lot to lose.